Okay, good morning to everybody. Today is 15th of October on a Friday. So as usual, we poll our Telegram channel and one of the top stocks. Okay, we'll start with Singapore stock first. So Keppel Corp is the stock that a lot of people have requested for. Yes, guys, you are right. It has broken a very important 550 resistance. So more importantly, is the transaction volume is high and this breakout. Now today is Friday, so it will close the weekly candle, which is important, guys. The bigger the time frame, the more important it is. And you can see on the weekly chart, when Keppel Corp was doing this range trading, the volume already suggests that it is poised to hit higher. Okay, so therefore, this breakout on Keppel Corp may have legs going forward, may finally break out of this, how many? One whole year of range trade between $5 to $5.50. One whole year. Once this breakout, it may be very, very powerful break coming up. A new trend may be born. So shareholders of Keppel Corp, congratulations, and let us hold our hands together and maybe see you above $6. Okay, so let's go to the next stock, Wilmar. Oh, before that, let us talk about the catalyst for Keppel Corp in case you forgot. Why are we positive about Keppel Corp? Because we are waiting for this good news. Okay, that Keppel Corp may be announcing, but I do not know when, because in this news article, which is dated 29th of September 2020, which is slightly more than 1 year ago, Keppel Corp plans to sell between $3 billion to $5 billion of assets. So that is the good catalyst for Keppel Corp. And with a bullish chart, this stock is a keeper, man. Now, next one will be Wilmar. Okay. Now, Wilmar has finally broken out of this downtrend, what do you call this? This downtrend resistance. Let me just draw the line for you. I just got rid of the line because it already broken the downtrend resistance. There you go. Okay, so in my weekly webinar, we have always talked about this downtrend resistance. I say, wait for it to break before it will turn bullish. Now, break it did, and it break with very spectacular volume, which is very good. Because in any technical breakout, we want to see transaction volume. The higher it is, the better, because it shows the commitments of the buyers. Now, before Wilmar head up, you could also see that there was a BIC pattern in Wilmar as it starts to break the resistance, and therefore, okay, the best time to buy Wilmar for the first time would be this breakout, and subsequently, currently it is consolidating sideways, but I don't think it's bad news. Consolidating with low volume is good, because on the weekly chart, you could see Wilmar already broken out of the downtrend resistance as well. And currently, maybe it is just doing a consolidating candle on the weekly chart. For those to absorb those people who do not believe that the trend has turned. Now, two catalysts for Wilmar are of its two businesses. Number one, sugar price. You can see the trend of this sugar is heading up. Can you see? So record high sugar price may be a boost for the profit margin for Wilmar in the sugar business. And for the palm oil price, you could see it is at the record high of sub 4K to 5K ringgit. Okay, per ton. So these are the two commodities that Wilmar has got businesses in, and that could be the catalyst why the breakout this week was last week was very powerful, and this week consolidating, and perhaps more upside coming for Wilmar. Right, so the other catalyst for Wilmar will be the IPO in India, Adani Wilmar. So we wait for the regulatory approval first. Okay, let's talk closer to the intra-week swings. Now, yesterday wasn't a good day for Wilmar. Now, the day before yesterday was good. Okay, it has got high volume coming in. So today, yesterday candle was a black candle with higher volume. So the selling is still ongoing in Wilmar as it consolidates sideways. Now, what we don't want to see is Wilmar to drop back below this sub $4 range. Hopefully it can consolidate and quickly just move up from this base. Then we should be safe. Okay, it should lead to higher price like this, guys, like this. Okay, so consolidate, no problem, no high volume and all that. Looks like want to die like that, coming back down, no problem. So long you quickly come back, quickly come back with high volume and going back up, we should be safe. Okay, so that is Wilmar for you. Let's see. There you go. Okay, so let's talk about some of the Bursa stock. GREATEC. Okay, one of the popular stock that is being requested in the Telegram channel, like, hey, what's going on with GREATEC? I understand the frustration. Everybody is waiting for GREATEC to, break above this 750 ringgit, but it is stuck in this range for a reason. It has moved up significantly, guys. Can you see? Move up significantly in June to August period, and then now goes into a sideways. Prospect-wise, growth story-wise, it is still intact. Okay, GREATEC, you are talking about electronic vehicles. They supply battery, not supply battery. They are into the EV business, electric vehicle business, and I think one of their product, it's got something to do with the battery. Okay, they have order book that is, I forgot the number, but their order book is quite high, quite thick. So therefore, it is still a good company. You can take a look at the ranking. It's still 2 stars. So it is just a matter of time before GREATEC can break higher. You can see all the health check in the fundamentals are all pointing up as per the stock. Okay, as per the stock, it's just pointing up. Now, while we are able to find good company, we are not able to detect when the price should move. Okay, that is not possible. So you ask anybody, nobody can tell for sure when the share price is going to respond positively according to the fundamentals. But patience is needed, guys. Patience is needed. So therefore, let's take a closer look at GREATEC. It is doing a range trade. Can you see? Between 680 to 750. Okay, ding dong within this range. Now, whenever you see a trading range, you must be able to identify whether this trading range is bullish or bearish. So on the daily chart, it is a bullish trading range. Now, if you don't know how to identify bullish trading range, come to the free webinar on every Wednesday for Bursa stock, Tuesday for Singapore stock. We talk about that. Okay, now let's go to the weekly chart. Now, weekly chart suggests further consolidation, so nothing pretty much going on. Okay, what you don't want to see is the range breaking down. Okay, if we continue to ding dong within this range, a breakout violently may happen. Right, so just hang on and we see what's going on in the November earnings. The next stock will be FPGROUP. Wow, a lot of people ask about FPGROUP as well. Okay, me too. Because FPGROUP is like go into a coma. Oh, wow. Ever since August, that day it excited a lot of people. Suddenly it went to sleep again. Okay, for how many weeks? 1, 2. Okay, every candle is 1 week because it's on the weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 weeks of sleeping. Okay, like Sleeping Beauty, you need the beast to come and give you a kiss for you to move up. Now, semiconductor stock already responded to last night Wall Street's big rally in Nasdaq. I think it is 300 points, if I'm not wrong. Let me do a quick check in case you are not in the know. Actually, I have the chart inside the software. Nasdaq 100. Let's see, how many points are we talking about? Yeah, high, close to 300 points, 270 points. What a very powerful rally in Nasdaq. Looks likely to continue. Just imagine we are here. We are coming out of this correction. So guys, it is time to be bullish on the semiconductors and the technology stock. But of course, at the back of our mind, we must be watching out for one key risk, that is the chip shortage. Okay, so let's come back to our FPGROUP. Okay, so if you have got no patience hanging on to FPGROUP, feel free to swap it to something else that is already moving or on the way out to break out. Because, like I said, we do not know when this fella will wake up. I think within the next 1 month, it should be up because the earnings will be on 18th of November. Or 18th of November, so about 4 weeks. Usually, stock will respond to the earnings date. It either go lower towards the earnings date or go higher towards the earning dates. So right now, it is just teasing us, not doing much, okay? And you cannot say it is bearish and it is in the right industry. It is a matter of, are you in a hurry? If you're in a hurry, okay, maybe you can move your funds to something else that moves faster first. And then when this guy starts to go above 79, then you come back here again. or what I'm afraid of is later give you one long white candle like this, right? It will kill your appetite to want to own this stock, because you may find that you that time 78 never buy, now it is how to buy, you know, that kind of thinking. Now you need to shake that thinking off, because if the market environment is bullish, when a stock break out of the resistance, it can be valid and legit. Okay, so that is FP Group for you. If you go and check the weekly chart, yep, highlight, not doing anything. Okay, consolidating on low volume. Now, instead of FP Group, maybe something that is more resilient, that is more robust. Okay, it will be FRONTKN. You can see FRONTKN share price is on the uptrend because all the earnings, ranking, all these are very strong. Okay, these are all the good stocks. So usually I will only pick up good stocks for a peace of mind. Good stock, easier to make money. Don't have so much more problem to handle. Okay, so FRONTKN currently, okay, it is threatening to break this resistance level at about, okay, let me turn on my, let me see, do I have it? Okay, not in this software. So its resistance is about 370. Okay, let's do a ballpark, 372 or 374. So it is a good day yesterday. So this week candle is going to close white, which means the selling on this week has been absorbed by the market as it tries to trade upwards. So FRONTKN indeed has a upward bias to the chart. The other thing is, okay, if you apply this kind of analysis into any random stock, it's not going to be as effective, because FRONTKN's earnings is robust, FRONTKN's ranking is high, and it is in the right industry, semiconductor and oil and gas. So therefore, it has got all the tailwind it needs to propel forward. All right, so that is that 3 stocks for you in Bursa. Now, if you have any other stocks that you think of, they are legit, and you think, hey, these are also quite interesting, and you want to discuss about it, discuss in our Telegram channel. We have put the links below these comments. So therefore, join us in the Telegram group, and we will take it from there. So every week I will poll the Telegram group for the most popular stock to discuss in the technical analysis perspective, as well as the fundamentals. Hopefully we can spot some gems together. So this is Yihua signing out, and don't forget, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, come to our YouTube live, our Facebook live. I will see you there. Good day. Bye.